Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my final painting of 2025. So I finished my Christmas painting that I did on my premiere, and I still had some time left over. I did Piggy, Peekaboo, and I did this one. This one was a square from Temu, so this is a budget-friendly painting. It was small enough, and I thought, well, I could probably finish this before the new year, and I finished it yesterday, January 30th, so that was my last finish for 2025. I have 0 whips, I have 0 anything left, so I'm going to start Fairy Aurora for blinging in the new year. But I thought I'd show you guys this painting. Now, this was a square from Temu, and I was quite surprised. I really enjoyed doing it. I didn't think the cat was going to come out, but as you can see in the picture, the cat turned out very lovely. Even close up, you can still see the cat. I'm it looks really good on camera, actually. I was really pleased and happy with this one. It reminds me of my Marlowe. And yeah, it's super cute. Now, I did get a custom of the real Marlowe for Christmas from my daughter. So we'll have to see how that one turns out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it in 2026, but I'm maybe going to. I'm not 100% sure yet. These were acrylic drills, not resin, and they weren't so bad, and there's no popping. Like, I really enjoyed this kit from Temu for a budget-friendly kit. Like, if you only buy budget-friendly kits, like, this is super good for, like, acrylic quality, I think. It turned out really nice. As you can see, no popping. Well, that wasn't a popping drill. I had drills still lying on here. I don't know how I do that, but I do. Look at, oh, there's even a round in there. I don't know how a round came up of that. But yeah, let me just glance over it and see. No. Well, there's another round. Where are these rounds coming from? Must have been from Piglet, Peekaboo. Piglet, Peekaboo. I keep on saying that wrong. I want to say Piggy instead of Piglet. No, I don't know, because you buy it from Temu. It doesn't really say a store, so I don't know where it came from. It had 30 colors. There was a lot of, like, oranges and browns in this. It turned out really pretty. Up here, it was hard because I felt like you could tell that I multi-placed, because, you know, I don't like it when it looks like you multi-place, but it's just a budget-friendly kit, so I didn't really pay much mind to it, but I think it turned out lovely. Don't you think Marlowe turned out so cute in the sunflowers? I could see him sleeping in the sunflowers. Orange and jobless. Have you ever seen those on TikTok? I love those ones on TikTok. But yeah, so this is my finish for 2025. I can't believe the year is now done and over with. And this is my last finish for the year. I think I said I was at 13 paintings, and now I should be up to 15. I didn't do that many this year, so I'm hoping next year will bring me more paintings. And I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you're thinking about getting a budget-friendly kit and squares from Temu, I don't know, I really like this one. They're very hard to find on Temu though, square paintings. So if you can find them. Not bad. I find there is a little bit of gapping, but nothing to write home about. I think it turned out pretty good for a budget-friendly kit. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't know how much I paid for this. Probably less than $10. So, yeah. Definitely not a high-quality kit. It's like, you know, the typical Temu feel. No soft back. It's just, what do you call this? Canvas, vinyl? I don't know what you would call it. Doesn't have a name. It has the steps here. I covered it with tape, obviously, because it was over the edges a little bit. And I did little bees because I thought, oh, bees will look cute with the sunflowers. You know, some places, you know, when you do a picture that is computer rendered, sometimes there's like little ones that go and you're thinking, why are they there? And see, like there's an odd one here, there's an odd one here, there's an odd one, but in the picture, I don't know, does it go? But I think it turned out really, really nice. And I'm excited for 2026. I'm excited with my project for the beginning of 2026, and I can't wait to kit it up. And that will probably be the next video or a whip and chat. I haven't decided yet. Till next time, guys, take care. Happy New Year, and I hope 2026 brings us all good happiness and vibes. Let's pray for that this year. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.
Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.